Hello everyone, again welcome back to Nirvant. So before going to learn Python, first of all it is our first video in our playlist of Python. Okay, so first of all we can know what is Python. Python is a general purpose high level programming language. Okay, so just wanted to know how many of knows any programming language. Please comment it down. Okay, then I can know that how many person to like this video and how many are knowing anything, any programming language. Okay, so if you don't know any programming language, then you are the best person to learn Python because it is the very simple, very easy language. Okay, and in how which way I can teach you, your fundamental is clear, your base is clear, and after that you can switch any of the language. Okay, but Python is the best root language. I know C is the mother of the language, but for a beginner level, you can learn Python. It is the best path, best way for to learn any language for starting. Okay, then we can go for Python. Okay, so what is Python? Python is highly recommended programming language and object-oriented language. Okay, so Python is a simple and easy to understand language which feels like reading simple English. Okay, also it is a high-level interpreted language. What is interpreted language? Interpreted language means it will be execute the program step by step, line by line, where every step it can be execute the program. That is the interpreted language. Okay, but the compiler, what does mean by compiler? It can execute the program whole at a once, but the interpreter is execute the program line by line. That is the difference between compiler and interpreter. We can later discuss about it, but it is the interpreted language with a broad range of libraries and framework. I before told you Python has a large, vast number of libraries so that it will be easy to apply anything over it. Okay, so and we can use to Python web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, data science, everything. And next, the father of the Python is Guido van Rossum. Okay, Python came from a TV show called Complete Monty Python's Flying Circus. Okay, broadcasted in a BBC channel. There, Python will be introduced. Okay, Python borrowed all concepts from the Java, Unix. Okay, so Python is everything. In every language, if you want to doing or build anything, you choose Python because Python is a tool. You can say that Python is like a tool, which is every power it has. Okay, it has every power to build anything. That's why Python is very powerful tool. Okay, Python developed in NRI, Netherlands. Okay, and lot of people say Python is a new language. No, it is not a new language. Java released in 1995. Python are released in 1989. Officially, it is released on February 20th, 1991. It is a large, comprehensive standard library. Okay, this is all about the history of Python. We can know what is Python and its history. In the next session, we have discussed about the features of Python. I can little bit just simply tell that what are the features you can learn. We have let us discuss about it, but now I can simply tell us that what are the features of Python. It is easy to understand. First of all, free and open source also, high level language, portable, works in any devices, Linux, Windows, Mac, anything. Okay, so in next session we will discuss about the features of Python and the what is the modules, pip, everything, and how it will be installed. I am showing everything to the next video. So then we can go for step by step what is variable, data type, operators, types of operators, and the typecasting and many more. Okay, so thank you all of you, and please like, comment, share the channel, and comment it down. Okay, thank you.